Now usually in every application, one username or user ID cannot be allocated to two users, and duplicate usernames are not allowed as well. You most probably will get a message saying username has already taken. So this will be our scenario 3, where we need to implement a functionality where username should not repeat in our table. First, in normal user login table, we'll try to put duplicate entry of user 5. Let's run this command, and it is inserted. Now we have two entries of user 5. We need to avoid this. So let's create a new table having username and password. In addition to that, as we want constraint on username column, I will put primary key in front of that column. Let's insert our first record in the new table. Let's view it once. Okay, now we have one record of user 5. Again, I will try to insert user 5, but this time with different password. Let's see what happens. Bam! We got an error saying unique constraint is violated. So now our table cannot have duplicate entries for one username. The rule that prevents us to enter duplicate values in the table is known as primary key constraint. Just like primary key, we have unique key as well. Now this is activity for you to explore unique key and find the differences between primary key and unique key. See you in next session.